Heading to Lion Rock to hike that. We just got breakfast, which is one full bao and one tasu bao each. I'm very excited to eat it. It was like $19, which is like $2. It's like $2.8. And they're humongous. So we're gonna head over there now, and the view is supposed to be super nice, and it's such a nice day out. Let's go! We made it to our stop, which is Temple. Well, we're in front of Temple Mall. It's right there. And look, they have like really cool incense decoration thing. There's a temple right over here. But we have our buns. How is it?
It's so good.
Yay! And there's like a really cool cityscape situation. But now we're gonna try to make our way to the start of Lions Rock. And it's actually getting really hot. So wait, I'm gonna taste test this. Are we ready?
Oh my god, dude, this is so weird.
Some good stuff. Walking up right now, and we have seen like 5 monkeys, and they're really scary. Oh my god. So I think we've been walking for like 30 minutes, I think. We are very sweaty, and an old man passed us, and everyone's in really great shape. No one is sweating as much as we are. We just passed by so many monkeys. It was terrifying. We are almost at the start of the trail. This is good. This is good. We're throwing in some exercise into all the food that we're gonna eat this trip.
You want to work out.
I know. I'm sorry. I made you pack more workout clothes than we're actually gonna use. We've been walking for a while now, but we have some really cool views. So cool because it's all like mountains and then the city. And then we have quite a few stairs going further up to the top. And there's Jess. We're doing it! To the top. We're 595 meters up. This is the view! Yay! We were here for how long?
A long time.
Probably like an hour, because there's this man who was sitting here
Eating red bean.
Yeah, he was having a good time, and we didn't want to like ask him to like leave. But then he was like, all right, Well, y'all waited long enough. Time to go. Let's just like take a moment to appreciate this. Because it took us a freaking long time to get here. We are going to head back down now, and then we're gonna head back, shower, and get like dinner probably instead of lunch because it's been a while. So we made it to this little gazebo thing, and
I've been so excited to see a gazebo slash shack.
Yeah, we like, there's like a shack up there. We were walking for so long, and I legit thought that we were gonna get lost, but we made it, and now we're just gonna walk down the hill. Look at us active people, right? Who are we? Whatever. Like, where is it? I wonder if you can see it on video.
No, I was bent a certain way. I don't know how it did that.
Our legs are like shaking. We've been walking for so long. We were so close to the bottom, and then a monkey was in the pathway, and there are many more monkeys around it. So now we don't know what to do.
I think we just gotta go. Let's just be calm.
He was right there though. I'm so scared.
It's okay. I think they moved. I was like,
this was the most terrifying thing of my entire life.
We
walked up and down
straight into our souls.
Yeah, we walked up and down these stairs like 5 times, I think. We were like, we can do this, let's just go down. And then we went back up, and then we go back down. And then we kept seeing like an old man come up.
And they made us feel better.
Yeah, and now there's people here, so like that makes us feel better too. We made it. We're on the ground. Jess, we did it. Oh man, my legs. I can't. Now we're gonna go freaking home because where's home? Where's home? So now we are at Yamta, and wait, I want to show the menu. Look at their cute menu. Let's meet at Yamta. And right now we're trying to figure out what we want to order, but it is so freaking cute in here, and we actually haven't eaten anything like the entire day. We only had a barbecue pork bun and a pineapple bun, so we should eat. We ordered some baos and rice, and then we got red date red tea. Got our food, so we have custard buns right here, barbecue pork buns here, and this beetroot rice here. Are you ready? Oh my god. Just like, wait, I want to see the squirt. Oh no, it's in here. Ooh. Like, yum.
They're gonna eat one of those last. It's sweet.
I'm gonna do a taste test for the barbecue pork buns, which are low-key kind of sad.
Oh, because they're eating them.
Because it's a pig and it's barbecue pork. Chill. Look at that filling. Wow. They can do no wrong. So we finished eating dinner. How was dinner?
It was so good.
Yay! Now we are at boba. We're at the alley, and I was like, let's see what boba place is near us. And so I went on Yelp, and this place had 3 reviews. And then we get here, and the line is also so long. And I was gonna get boba, but I mean, now that I'm waiting here, I'm gonna get boba. So we got our Deryoka milk tea. It's brown sugar milk tea. We're gonna do a taste test. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
The boba is very sweet.
It's very milky.
I think the tea part is just really milky, but the boba is the brown. It's like very, very sweet. It's good though.
I'm into it. We're gonna drink these and walk past the long and then we're gonna go to the promenade and just like walk around and have a good time. Woo! looks so pretty. Oh, it's recording. Hi. Jessica just made a stunning revelation. What is it?
The milk tea after the boba's been soaking in it tastes like leftover Honey Nut
Cheerios milk. Yeah. And I agree. And also, I wanted to record this on video, but I think this might be like my favorite boba that I've had. Yeah. I just picked up these 2 bags of chips from 7-Eleven. We got the gourmet salted egg yolk potato crisps and the gourmet salted egg yolk fish skin crisps. And my cousins recommended these to me, and apparently they're amazing. And even the 7-Eleven employees, like literally everyone in that store was like, trust us, like just get more. So we're gonna do a taste test. Ready? Yeah. Ooh, it's like sweet.
It's very not crisp. Like it's soft. It's like a soft chip.
It's very thin.
It's crispy.
Twice. It's spicier.
I like the potato chip.
It's more of a crisp.
Yeah. I'm surprised you could handle this.
It's not that spicy. It's like
You just feel a little tingle in your throat.
yay! Now I gotta clean up.